Okay, so I just turned up to Gill Beach now, just got the first 2 rods out. Just about to put out the 3rd now. Just thought I'd get the video started. Been there for about 5 minutes. Tide runs there a little bit, but not much. Should bring in a few fish hopefully. So yeah. Okay, so here is a lovely peeler crab. See him there? So I'm trying to, if you haven't seen it before, if you're a beginner, I'm just going to show you how to peel one. Take off his claw. The other one. Just keep on peeling all his legs off. For those of you that don't know, just thought I'd show you. If you want to tell if your crab's a peeler, if you're going out finding yourself, pull off that leg, and you should be left with a nice little one there. Try this one out. There you go. Look at that, that's a beautiful one. See him? Nice little, like I'm saying, just can't pull off these legs. Go to the side, you can use them as bait, you just got to peel them all off. To get the top part of the shaft, you can see this one's already cracked a little bit. You just push and pull. You should just ease his way off. Yeah, see? It's a bit of force sometimes a bit easier than the others. And you're left with your nice soft top. Then here's the hard part. This bit all along here is really, well, I wouldn't say hard, but awkward to pull off. It's in my opinion, and I'm see if I can do it for the camera. Just put your finger between that bit there and just pull. It should just crumble off. There you go. See, like that. See that, like a yellow shade between that part. Keep pulling it all off. Go. Done. Now you're left with nice, soft project crab. And so what you do is well, for my opinion, cut the crab in half. Yourself 2 lovely baits there now. Ready to go on your hook. Right, so hook. I would usually use a pennel, but this time I'm just going to go with a single mustard chino. I think that's a 3.0, 4.0 maybe. Because in the summer I was missing a lot of smooth hounds and well, whatever they were, biting on my crab. And I thought, just to give it a go with just a single hook maybe, see if that was what was losing me the fish. Importantly. If you've got him on there like that, leave me on back, I'll put it in my other pot. Bloody clumsy bugger I am, always losing things, especially when I'm fishing. So you just elasticate them on the hook. Not so much mummify it because the crab have a lot of juices and they tend to come out. And that's what you want. You want the juices flowing. In this tide run, it should bring out any bass, smooth hound, any fish in the sea really. So I think anything will hammer this. Lovely bait this one. And juices all over the show. Yeah, see them all coming out. Should it do? Let's cast them out there and hopefully get me a nice fish. So on that crab cast, just add this pout and the crab. Crab on it there. Hooked right through the eyes. Yeah, first fish this session. Right, just not going too shabby, not going the best though. Had a couple of knocks, nothing come out of it yet. Got the old grapes on the go. Just nice to be out again. Hopefully we'll be able to pluck out a few fish first, the aim. Yeah, see him. The big rod's getting bites on both. Right, just thought I'd just add, if you hear me breathing quite heavily or talking loudly, I'm sorry, it's just the way I've got the camera set up. Right. A lot of weight there. A lot of weight there. I think the same there. This one. Seen this yet? Oh yeah, there's something there. Doggo, I think. Something there. Yeah, dogfish. Oh, bring him round to here. Shows. Oh shit. Tonight, got a double shot here. Just plagued with them, it is. Bloody mental. Yeah, and the shadow soak problem just blew up my 525 on a cast. Lying all over the show, back to get my dad to run out and drop off the shock leader. Yes, hopefully I'll be back with the fish. So I just brought in my scratching rod. Got a nice doggy. A nice little pouting. There's a double shot on a wishbone rig, with one rag tip squid and the other one with rag. Yeah, beautiful fish having a little bass rod. Waiting. Now, so just like holding now. There's a bit of run there still, but the rods are still settling in. Bringing in a lot of fish. Oh, it's gone slack again, look ready. Nice sat line, see if we can catch a bite on camera. We're having pretty much dogfish every cast on this rod. Numero 3 on the scratching rod, again taking on the worm bait. Lovely fish. No eyes. Lovely bend on the little bass rod. Cheers. Last chuck, as you can see, everything's back to out. Last rod out.